Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about the Windows Insider program that actually we've had a little update from Microsoft. So first of all, this week there is no dev channel built. So for those of you that are insiders in the dev channel, what we have right now is what we'll be actually using this week again. So no real update for dev channel because it does not meet minimum requirement. So build 22543 is what we'll continue using this week and until next week when they hope to have one to release. So not up to the quality that they wanted, so there's no build. But that said, they also issued a post, actually Amanda Landowski, which is the leader of the Microsoft Insider team. We rarely hear about her. Has actually put a long blog post at the Microsoft website talking about the future of testing for Windows 11 in the coming year. So, of course, the rings, they explain the rings, which ring is the best, and depending on what you want. So we talked about it in a video that I made today, talking about and kind of reminding users that those that might not understand the Windows Insider program or those that don't know that it exists, what it's all about, and which ring you should choose. They're kind of explained in that video. In the same blog post, one of the things that she said, and this is important to note, and hopefully they will do that regularly. And also, that means we're getting and we're reaching some kind of a point here where things are going to change. In the coming weeks, there's going to be a build that's going to match the build of the beta channel. So what she says in the blog post is because right now, when you're in the dev channel, you're kind of stuck there. Unless you reinstall Windows, there's nothing else you can do. You can't change rings. You really have to reinstall Windows. And that is annoying for a lot of users because you might be an insider, but you might wish to change the ring and at some point, get out of the Windows Insider rings. So, of course, dev channel, the other rings are grayed out. Within the next few weeks, what's going to happen, there's going to be a build number where you will be, and you'll have the chance, we're going to talk about it, to change your ring to the beta channel. Now, what does that mean? That means that beta channel is going to start testing the next big phase of Windows. And that means dev channel and beta channel will match for a certain amount of time. That will give you the time to change ring if you wish. And what does that give you as an advantage? That will give you the possibility of course, eventually going to release and even getting out of the build altogether and just be there with the next big version of Windows 11. So that's the good news. If you're on dev channel in a few weeks, you will have an occasion to change rings, something that doesn't happen in general. So this is cool. Hopefully they're going to have that happen regularly so that people have a chance from time to time to change to another ring. Now, that also means that what's coming is something different. We're going to have dev channel builds move ahead to some next version of Windows. What we are expecting right now is that the beta channel will be testing what's coming this fall for a while before it eventually at some point gets to release preview. But it also means that the dev channel will be moving to another build number much more to the future of Windows and start testing possibly some of the features for next year. So it gives you an idea of how far ahead we might be testing stuff. So expect that there's some changes coming to the Windows Insider program. And if you're on dev channel and wanted to get out, at some point in the next few weeks, it's going to happen. So this is the latest news we have from the Windows Insider program. Remember, no build this week, so we're probably going to get back next week. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.